Good day, I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive by data from Avantage Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes po.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
No, ma'am.
Do you have tattoos in your skin?
No, ma'am.
If you feel unwell or if you think that there is something inside your body, better stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this your first time working abroad?
No, ma'am.
Why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
Because Malaysia is high salary more than Middle East.
Why you didn't choose to go Singapore or Hong Kong? They get higher salary than here in Malaysia.
Because Malaysia, ma'am, is there in the Philippines at same time.
Can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Yes, po. My name is Apple Grace Telyaba, 38 years old, married, no child. I have work experience before in Kuwait, 14 years, one employee. My duties and responsibility, take care of child, cleaning the house, ironing, um, uh, wash clothes, and sometimes do the car wash.
Did you cook inside the house?
Yes, ma'am, and cooking also.
All right, so before we proceed to your working experience, I would like to know some few more details from you first. When is your birthday?
August 21, 1987.
What is your height and your weight?
My height is 5'1", my weight is 65.
What is your religion?
Roman Catholic.
What about your educational background?
I'm a high school graduate.
Okay, so is your husband allowed you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
How old is your husband and what is his occupation?
My husband is 38 years old and work is farmer.
How many brother and sister do you have?
I have two brother only.
What is your rank in your family?
I'm I am eldest.
What about your parents?
My my father is died. My only mother.
How old is your mother?
My mother is 59.
What is her occupation?
Nothing, ma'am.
All right. So you mentioned that this is not your work. This is not your first working experience, and you worked before in Kuwait for 10 years.
Yes, ma'am.
What year did you started, and what year did you finish?
I started in Kuwait in 2013 and last 2025.
All right. So how old are those children that you take care?
Children 2, 5, 13, 15, and 18.
2, 5, 13, and 18.
And 15
2, 5, 13, and 15 years old.
and 18.
And 18. So total 5 children.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you said that you worked 2013 to 2025, 14, 15, 16. So you worked there for 12 years.
No, no, ma'am. I'm stayed there in the Philippines for 2 years.
Oh, okay.
Uh,
So this one is one employer.
yes, yes,
So
yes,
2013 to 2025 and then you work for 10 years with the employer, but the 2 years is you go back home in the Philippines, is it? All right. So what happened? Why you decided not to continue working with this employer?
because I want to uh, another country.
You know
I
all right. So I would like to let you know the reality of working here in Malaysia, okay? Employers here is very particular when it comes to cleanliness. Houses here is quite big, really no joke. I don't want later that you were going to compare Middle East and Malaysia because every employer's got different rules and regulations. Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
yes, ma'am. I'm ready.
You need to be flexible, you need to be multitasking, and you need to expect those unexpected things because you might experience some things that you didn't experience in Kuwait, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am. I'm willing.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am. I'm willing to try.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Normally, even though we've been working for quite a long time in outside of the Philippines, there is sometimes homesickness strikes us anytime and anywhere. Normally, how do you handle your homesickness? So, how do you fight your homesickness? How do you fight your homesickness?
I find my I will call my family if have work. If have no work.
All right. So this is a 2 years contract. You know that any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Terminating of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency as nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you aware that you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours, but instead you can hold it during nighttime only. After you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am. No problem.
We don't force people to come here. It's either you agree or you disagree. If you disagree, it's fine. You can stay in the Philippines or find job opportunities into other countries. Yeah? So remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to give a better future for your children also at the same time. In Philippines, we can do whatever we want, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to humble ourselves, follow the rules and regulations of the employer, and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any problems, any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Globalize agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay? Thank you
Okay,
so
ma'am.
much and have a good day. Bye.